hill up, up. For my destination, I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world does not have this big brotherhood of man. For whatever that means.
And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on?
And I said, I said, hey, what's going on? Come on. And I said, I said, hey, and what's going on? 25 years of my life I still I try to get back a great big hill of hope. For my